What's up, guys? John Erickson here, reading for the role of Max. Not even close to being off book, but like the script a lot, so we're gonna go for it. And he's excited about this too, so thanks for taking a look. Cheers.
Thought I smelled pussy.
Whoa. Excuse me? Can I help you, sir?
Sure, you can help me. You can save me a slice of that ass.
The fuck you just say?
And the sharing type, I suppose. That's too bad. Looks nice.
Do you mind?
What's the matter, darling? That pretty mouth of yours broke?
Kelsey, go wait in the tent.
Just ignore him.
Kelsey!
Oh, that's right. You tell her who wears the pants, boy. Easy there, puppy master. Easy.
Look. Alright? We won't be here long. Can you please just leave us alone?
Gee, thanks. Haven't wiped my ass in a long while. No sweat, I'll go hunt cottontail elsewhere.
Kels, you okay?
Maybe we should just camp somewhere else?
No, we're not fucking going anywhere. He is just a fucking drunk idiot, right? I'll kill that motherfucker if he comes back and bothers us.
Really? You'd rather take it there than just go somewhere else?
Yeah, I mean, fuck that guy. I'm not letting trash like that fuck with us. He's probably just some lonely hick, married to his grandma or some fucked up shit like that.
You.
So, where were we? Are you recording?
Yeah, action.
I had no idea.
No, I said
You
action.
didn't.
Yeah, I did.
I'm gonna play it back.